Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll share with you another early airdrop opportunity, and the project is called Fast Protocol. So what is Fast Protocol? Basically they make Ethereum feel fast by delivering millisecond pre-confirmations for safe certain execution. The best part is this project is backed by some top tier investors such as A16Z, HashKey and Figment Capital. They already have 36k followers and they just launched their first OG campaign, so this is the best time to position early. Before joining, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, first subscribe and turn notifications on so you don't miss any future updates. And guys, those of you who haven't joined our Telegram channel, I put the Telegram link in the video description. You can join there. I share the most important daily crypto airdrop news on that channel, so don't miss this. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the video description where you will find all the links. So first you need to come to this page and register your account. Click here, login to register. Then you have options to log in using your X or Discord account. Also you can use your wallet, so I'll select MetaMask here. Then click on connect. And then confirm the request. So the registration is complete. Now you need to connect your Twitter account by clicking here. Then authorize the app. And done. Next you need to follow them on Twitter, so click here. Then follow their account. Then click here to like their post. So like and then repost and go back to the airdrop page. Next you need to connect your Discord by clicking here. Then authorize and done. Next you need to join their server, so click here. Then accept the invite. Now click here on complete. Then agree to the terms and submit. Next click here verify. Then click on continue. Then again click on continue. Now you need to solve the CAPTCHA and then you will be verified. Next on the left side find this referrals option. Then click here enter code. Then it asks you for a referral code. I'll provide the code in the video description. Simply put the code in this box and click on submit. And done. Then click here create code. It will generate a code for you which you can share with your friends. Then on the left side find the fast OG pass option. Click here generate fast OG pass. So it will create a pass for you. What you need to do is share this post on your X account. So post it. After that copy your post link. Then come back here and click on submit link. Then paste the link in this box and click on submit. Then you see the congratulations message, means you successfully claimed the role. Then once again come back to this page and enter your email here. And then click here to register. Now wait a bit for your registration to complete. And you're done. Here you will also find your referral link which you can share with your friends. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions then feel free to ask in the comment section, and please like the video. And if you are new to this channel then please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.